In this Amazon tutorial, let's take a look at how to archive your orders on Amazon. Now, this is easy to do on desktop, a little bit harder on mobile, but on desktop, if you want to get there, you can just click the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It'll take you right to your order history. Otherwise, you can click the returns and orders button up here or click on your account drop down and you can find orders in here. And once we get to our orders on mobile, you're going to need to look at this in a browser on desktop view. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll make a mobile tutorial sometime as well. But on desktop or on this desktop view, any of your orders has a little archive order button in the lower left-hand corner. So I'm going to archive one of these orders, maybe this one down here that's been delivered. And when I click on that archive order button, it's going to pop up with a dialog box that basically tells me that all the items in that order will be archived. And also, you can only archive up to about 500 orders. So we're going to click archive, and that will send this order to my archived orders, which hides it from anywhere else. Now, there is your archived orders spot. It's hard to get to. You actually can't get to it from this page normally. We can click this link here to go to our archived orders. I'll also leave a link in the description that is a one-click affiliate link to go to your archived orders, especially if you're on mobile, because you really can't find that on mobile without finding a link to it. So you can go to your archived orders for any order. You can unarchive the order if you need to. But that is how you can archive orders on Amazon.